All right, well, here we got 2001 379 Peterbilt day cab. Has a fresh papered overhaul on this ISX Cummins. 18 speed, 355 rears. I'll go walk around this truck and show you some of the things we did to it. Starting on the front of this truck, we have a Valley Chrome 20-inch box end bumper. On the side, we have truck's accessories. We'll call them the lollipop lights, dual revolution. All the lights on this truck are going to be dual revolution. Here we have the Roadworks flipper license plate holder. These are the truck's retro style LED headlights. Got the swan hood on them. Got a new grille. Along with the side, we got a Talladega fiberglass front fenders. Polish out the wheels. Got the truck's accessories, top hats. Behind the bumper, we got blue underglow to shine underneath the truck. Here we took stainless blanks, cut in our own light. We drilled in our own lights. Those are all dual revolutions there from truck's accessories. Windshield trim from Roadworks. Also a Roadworks visor. That's the Darwin style visor there. All this stuff is available on our website at McDonaldChromeShop.com. Got the window chops that line up to the visor. Also, you can find those on McDonaldChromeShop.com. Also from Trucks Accessories. The under the window door trim from Roadworks. Can't see them in here now, but we have the stars in here from Trucks Accessories, so it'll shine blue at night. Down here we went with the Trucks Accessories 9-inch stainless steel blanks. Also has blue underglow under there. We got the Trucks Accessories stainless steel step boxes. All available on our website. Also the Trucks Accessories 8-inch mitered exhaust with the picket elbows. I went ahead and put the Fat Boy kit on this day cab. We went with the button light look all the way around on this truck. Everything turns blue on it, so you got these lights turn blue. Got the rear visor for the back window from Roadworks. We just went ahead and did a diamond plate. A diamond plate look on this one. Strong to be able to walk on, no issues. We just plumb these up through here. If somebody wants the stainless steel box on it, we can do that. We've actually had complaints. Some people just like having, the farmers seem to just want these on there, a little simpler form. So we can throw the box on there. We were going to do that originally. We have one here for it. We just decided not to throw it on, just throw this on there. Just put it up straight through the bottom like we've been doing. That's how everybody's been wanting them done, so we just do it that way. We've got the train horns mounted underneath here. Painted the tanks blue on this one. Polished the ends. We also have underneath the deck plate here, we have blue strip lights shining down for underglow. We got Trucks Accessories stainless steel fenders. We painted these blue here, the mounts. All new rubber around this truck. Brakes, drums, polished wheels, top hats. Got your lighted mud flap hangers, all stainless steel. Walk on this side, we got everything the same. See if we can get a look up in here in the frame and put a step in on this side. Now we have a few things left we can do on the inside here. We're waiting on a few pieces. We got new Bostrom wide ride seats, or sorry, Pro Ride. We got Bostrom Pro Ride seats in here, brand new. We still got their plastic on them. We got our bases under there. Put new carpet in it. Here's the dash right now. We got a few switches we're still waiting on. The day cab kits only come in tan, gray, and black. So with this interior, the black we felt looked the best. On the top there, it is not shaved all the way. It does have button lights across the top. So with this truck, we did the scheme of just button lights everywhere. Just different look. Tried something different on this one. Had a lot of compliments. The people that have seen it in person. So everybody has a different look. So see what everybody thinks of this one. So here we just turn the blue lights on. Give you a little show of that.